Hey there! Welcome to this guide where you will learn how to create WhatsApp template messages in Chatzy AI. Before moving forward, please ensure that you have connected your WhatsApp number to Chatzy AI and that it is visible in the channel's WhatsApp section. If you haven't done that yet, please refer to the previous tutorial video. Now let's get started. To begin, navigate to the Message Templates section of Chatzy AI. Once you're there, look for the WhatsApp channel. Click on it, and you'll be able to see your existing templates and their status. If you have not yet created a template, this page will be empty. Click on the Create Template button to begin. First, you need to choose a category. Let's dive into that. WhatsApp template categories are divided into three main types. Authentication, used for sending one-time passwords, OTPs, and login verification messages. Utility, triggered by user actions or requests, such as order confirmations, account updates, or subscription details. These templates must be specific and should include details like an order number or account ID. Marketing, the most flexible category allowing businesses to drive engagement, promote sales, and increase brand awareness. You can read more about these categories using the link provided in the description. Marketing templates are the most commonly used in the industry. Also, sending templates from each category has different costs, with marketing being the most expensive. To check the exact charges, visit the pricing page on Chatzy AI. Choosing the right category for your message content and use case is essential. If you select the wrong one, Meta may not approve your template. Be sure to pick wisely. After selecting the category, choose a template name that is easy to identify and different from your existing templates. Next, choose the language for your template. Then, decide whether your message will include text only or media. If you want to add an image, video, or document, select the relevant option from the header dropdown. Simply upload your file, and you'll see a preview on the right. Note that the media you upload here is just for sample purposes. You will need to upload it again when using this template in a campaign or a journey. You can also add text in the header. The header text appears bold at the top of the message. Now, it's time to write your message in the body section. This is where you craft what you want to say to your customers. As you type, your message will appear in the preview window. You can use emojis, make your text bold or italic to make your message more appealing. Creating short and engaging messages will lead to higher engagement and a better delivery rate. Next is the footer. This section is useful for greetings, salutations, or less prominent information. The footer appears visually distinct, setting it apart from the header and body. The last step is making your message interactive by adding buttons. Buttons allow customers to respond to your message or take action. There are two types. Quick Reply enables users to respond with a predefined option directly in WhatsApp. When someone clicks on these buttons, a reply message is sent with the button text. Call to Action, CTA, allows users to either visit a web page or make a phone call. Simply add the URL or phone number accordingly. Once you've fine-tuned your template and everything looks good in the preview, you can hit Create. Before we create the template, let's explore one more important feature. Variables. Variables help dynamically insert user-specific details like names, order numbers, or dates into your message content. You can add a variable in the text type header or in the body of the message itself. To add a variable, simply click on the Add Variable button below the body text box. Alternatively, you can type variables manually using double curly brackets with a number inside. For example, if you want to add multiple variables, the first one will be one written inside double curly brackets, and the next one will be two written inside double curly brackets, and so on. After adding variables in the message body, you will see an option to add sample values for these variables. For example, if your variable is a placeholder for a name, write a random name as the sample value. Providing accurate sample values helps Meta understand your template content better and approve it faster. Note that these sample values are for demonstration only. You will need to provide actual values again when using the templates in campaigns or journeys. For more details, refer to the tutorial on how to send WhatsApp templates in campaigns or journeys. When sending these templates, Chatzy AI will replace the placeholders with real-time customer data. Once everything is set, click on Create. Your template will be sent for Meta's approval. Approval usually takes just a few seconds. Refresh the page to check the current status of your message template. After approval, your message template is ready for use. Creating engaging and effective WhatsApp template messages with Chatzy AI is that easy. Get started today and enhance your customer communication effortlessly. Thank you.